Do you know that the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system? The reef expands in a northwest-southeast direction for more than 1,250 miles and an offshore distance ranging from 10 to 100 miles, and an area of some 135,000 square miles. The Great Barrier Reef is located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It is home to over 3,000 individual reef systems and coral cays. More than 1,500 fish species live on the reef. 215 species of birds visit the reef or nest on its islands. The reef is a very important habitat for many animals, and it could all be going away soon because the Great Barrier Reef is dying. Scientists believe that the reef is dying because of climate change. Climate change has caused coral bleaching to start happening. According to National Geographic, coral bleaching is triggered by climate change. It occurs when unnaturally hot ocean water destroys a reef's colorful algae. This causes the coral to turn white. Without the algae, the coral loses its major source of food and often can't survive. It also stated that 30% of the coral perished in 2016, another 20% in 2017. Much of the marine ecosystem along the reef's north coast has been barren and skeletal. According to CBS News, the coral could recover over the next 5 to 10 years, but only if another mass bleaching event doesn't occur during that time. This is unlikely given the trajectory of climate change. National Geographic states that severe bleaching used to hit a given reef about every 27 years, but since the 1980s, the pace has accelerated to every 6. This doesn't give them enough time to recover. Scientists said that southern reefs did not suffer bleaching and are still in good condition, but they are not close enough to replenish the damaged reefs that are further north. This is also a decline in new coral. According to CBS News, the biggest decline in replenishment came from the reef's dominant species of adult coral called Acropora, which supports thousands of other species. It has experienced a 93% drop to previous years. This will reduce the reef's overall diversity, which will make it even less resilient to future bleaching. This can cause for the Great Barrier Reef to die out entirely and never come back. This will have major effects on the ecosystem and economy. One is that the coral reefs provide a buffer, protecting the coast from waves, storms, and floods. This helps prevent erosion and property damage. If they all die out, then there is nothing to protect the coast and the storms will cause more damage. Another thing is that a lot of unique fish, turtles, and algae live there. If the reef dies out, many of these unique species could be permanently lost. According to Tom, the death of coral would cause a huge loss for the local economies along the globe they support. They support local tourism and the commercial fishing industry. There are many reasons why we need the Great Barrier Reef. It gives animals a home, protects the coast from severe damage, and has a lot of unique species that need to be protected so that they will not go extinct. With the way things are going, it will no longer be here because of climate change. We need to find a way to fix what is going on, because if we don't, there will be a lot of consequences.